Yawning is something that humans do all the time. We do it when we're tired, when we're bored. We sometimes even do it when we see someone else do it, like it's contagious or something. What does yawning really do, though? No one really knows for sure, but there are many theories. One theory is that yawning is a way for our body to take in more oxygen and remove more carbon dioxide from our blood. Another theory is that yawning is a way to stretch the lungs. Yawning can be a good way to increase heart rate, flex muscles, and feel more refreshed. Or, yawning can be a protective reflex that helps keep our lungs lubricated with a substance called suffocant.